You know, I think it's been a while since we've done a dessert cocktail. Let's remedy that. Welcome back. And today, I'm going to create the Brandy Alexander. Now, the Brandy Alexander is very similar to the Apple Alexander that I made more than a couple years ago now. But the difference is, instead of utilizing apple brandy, it just utilizes cognac or brandy. Very similar in idea. I believe they are both. I believe they both use grapes as part of their refinement process in comparison to apples. Now, the name Brandy Alexander is a variation on the original Alexander cocktail, which was created by, according to historian Barry Popick, I believe that's how you pronounce his name. This may have been created in New York City's pre-prohibition lobster palace known as the Hotel Rector, where the bartender there, named Troy Alexander, wonder where that came from, created the first Alexander, made with gin, to pay homage to the fictitious advertising star Phoebe Snow. Phoebe Snow was, as I said, a fictitious character used in advertisements for the Delaware, Lackawanna, and Western Railroad to promote how their trains were traveling on a cleaner coal burning technique. Clean coal technology. I've heard that before, haven't we? But they would utilize Phoebe Snow as traveling on their trains in a pure white dress to signify, oh, this is cleaner burning. Yeah, think of it what you may. But it also shows up in Hugo Enslin's recipes for mixed drinks that I believe we've done a few other cocktails on from there. Most notably, the Aviation. Let's make it. It's likely going to be a phenomenal cocktail, but this is also very desserty. Very much recommended at the end of the day, after, say, a nice holiday meal. It's a shaken cocktail, you know what that means. Grab a shaker. And to this, I need dark Creme de Cacao. This is Tempest Fusion. It's considered to be the good stuff. If you can get it, cool. If you can't, cool. Now I need an ounce of dark Creme de Cacao, and I need an ounce and a half of Cognac. This is Pierre Ferrand 1840. And now to make things decadent, I need heavy cream. I need an ounce of heavy cream. Ice in. Cocktail in. We're good. Go. Grab a Nick and a Nora. Hawthorne. Down. Strain. Garnish this with fresh grated nutmeg. Right on top. And this is a Brandy Alexander. Cheers. Chocolatey. The cognac works well. The nutmeg helps to prepare. That's what a garnish should do. It helps prepare for something that you're about to enjoy. This is sweet. It's creamy. It's you get the chocolate, and it's a nice dessert cocktail. It is a little strong because of the cognac, but as an after dinner drink, you know, if you had something that's rich, you want to finish off something just as rich before you head to bed, or as just like a dessert thing, by all means, this would be phenomenal to have really anytime during the colder months, in my opinion. It's nice. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check down below. There is a link to kit.co, which has links to everything I utilize in my bar under the sun, aside from the alcohol, of course. Now, a heads up, they are all Amazon affiliate links. You know what that means. Not going to go through it with you. Also, find all my socials down in the description below as well. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.